Welcome back. With me, I have the Redmi 15C. In this video, I'll show you the unboxing and let's see what's in the box. So let me just open it up. So there's the phone, so the box per se, and let's see. It's powered by Xiaomi HyperOS, and then it has 50 megapixel AI dual camera system. This is a midnight black color, 4 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. So let's just open it up. There you go. Now the first thing you'll see is the Redmi 15C. So here it is. So let me just remove it from this case, or rather from this nylon. There you go. That's the Redmi 15C. That's how it looks like. So let me just put it aside. And then there's a bunch of other things, so we can just pull them off. And yes, it comes with a charger and the charging cable. So here's the charging cable, which is a USB to Type-C, as you can see. And this is the charging brick, which is 33 watts, as you can see. So let me just put them back. Then of course there's some documentations in this case. So but before you can get to the documentations, there's this SIM ejector tool that comes with it. So let me just open it up. As you can see, a bunch of documentations. Here it is, quick guide and warranty card. You can read through all that. Also, there's the safety information for the Redmi 15C. So here it is, if you want to read through all that. And also with this phone, it comes with the case. So here's the clear case that comes on the phone. Or rather that comes with the phone. So let me just remove it. And there you go. So this is the phone with two huge cameras at the back, as you can see. And it comes with the case and all the other charging and the charger brick and its cable and some safety and some manuals and everything else. So that's basically it on the unboxing of the Redmi 15C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll be making subsequent videos for these particular phones. So stick around and learn more about this phone.